Hey family, welcome back to part 2. If you haven't seen part 1 video, if you guys haven't seen part 1 of this kitchen makeover, pause this video right here, hop skippity bop back. I'm gonna include it in the iCard, also down in that description, so make sure you check out part 1. We will be doing this in probably 3 parts because I'm going to finish making over the kitchen before we finish completing Christmas. Now, what this video entails is we're going to paint the table, we're going to resurface the bar, and we're going to take out all of that mirror backsplash. You guys, I am so over it. My decor tastes have changed tremendously. Now, I love mirrors, but a lot of all of the extra sparkly stuff, I'm done with it. I'm just done with it. So I'm gonna take it out. Now, make sure when you guys come back, once we do the table, the bar, the backsplash, my curtains here, these here, I'm waiting on the ones to come for here and here. I have the other tree. It's in TT's room. We're gonna take it out and fluff it. We gotta hang the mirror pictures, and we do have 3 of these. Yes, ma'am. Can you what? Make something like what? Oh, you want to use the box? You can. Okay, you can. Like I said, I got a little bit of everything out. Now, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And this is your first time tuning in, welcome. I am Tammy, the host of the channel, and we're getting ready to do a kitchen makeover. We are going to get this kitchen started. Once again, when you come back, I'm going to let you know, probably in that final video, where everything comes from. So let's get this kitchen makeover started, and I do think I'm going to pull down all of the backsplash first, then do the facing of the bar, because that's going to require me to be kind of under the cabinet. Then I'll do this, then this. I think that's the game plan. All right, with that being said, now you guys, I'm going to turn on some music. Once again, if you haven't saw part 1 to this video, make sure you guys do go over and check it out. We are going to be putting the Christmas lights on the trees as well. Now too, you guys, I'm going to let you know, this year, because we're going to be doing a total of 25 trees here in the villa. What I decided to do this year, you guys, as you can see here, I decided to use light boxes. And let me know if you would like to see where we got those from. If you would like to know where to get the light boxes, and they do have them in, you got to check your measurements, far as lengthwise, but also how many lights per the length as well. I'm going to quit talking, and we're going to start pulling down all of this mirrored stuff. I wanted to go back with the marble. Now, previously when I had this marble out, it was more pure white with like more grayish veins in it, but it's more like a subtle tone of an off-white with gray, dark, like 3 levels of gray in it. So we're going to see. And this did come from Walmart, you guys, and it is that easy liner that is self-adhesive. Let's make sure I got this stuff. self-adhesive one. It's film stick, and it is 20. It's a 20 by 15. It covers 25 square foot. I do have a total of 3 because if my measurement is correct, I don't need but not a full 2 to do the bar, and I should be able to get by under the cabinet with 1. As well, this looks like that. Okay. I can do that. I can do that. I can do that. We haven't put up our pumpkin yet. And make sure you guys do check out my hot coffee cup warmer. Check out that video over on GLAM Queen DIY, or it may be on this channel as well. But make sure y'all check that out. It's IKO, and it's just a coffee cup for the hot drink, 1 drink at a time. And I'm probably not going to hang the curtains, you guys, probably till in that next video. But you're gonna get them, you guys. I just don't know how. Put this up. This is from Diffmart. And you guys, I did hot glue it on because I knew it probably wasn't going to be a permanent fix. All right, you guys. And you see I scuffed it up a good bit because I used my it's actually used for concrete. I forget what you call it, but I used that to knock that up, and I have that part left to finish. So you know the typical routine, because I am laying this myself, getting in corners. It's always odd angles, so I'm going to lay this corner piece, and then when I start from here coming over, I'll come back on camera, you guys. We have that first piece in, and I'm loving it. I still would have enjoyed it if it was a little more white, but it's an overload of the grays. But either way, I'm still okay with that, and you're gonna see why when you see the final look of the space. But there that is, and it looks great to me. So we're gonna just finish coming along, and I'm gonna just come across, and then when I get to this part, I'm gonna just go on the side and knock the rest.